Here are 10 OpenTable tips for reopening your restaurant. Number 10. Make sure you're accepting online reservations. In order to begin taking reservations, you have to toggle Accept Online Reservations to On. To do this, click on the menu and choose Availability Planning. Then choose Availability Settings. When you're ready, toggle Online Reservations to On and set the party size for those bookings. You will not receive any online bookings if this is set to the off position. Number 9. Modify large party settings. You may need to take a look at your large party settings when you reopen. Use the drop-down menu here to set what your restaurant considers a large party. These parties will be called out for the host in the shift notes. Number 8. Adjust your special day settings. OpenTable automatically closes major holidays, so it's good practice to make sure if you're in fact open during these holidays, your availability is also open. To open a special day, click directly on it, choose Open, then click Save. Number 7. Adjust your floor plan. If you need to make modifications to your existing floor plan, click on the menu and choose Availability Planning. You can click and drag tables to change the layout as needed. If you're making temporary adjustments and anticipate going back to your current floor plan, it may be easier to make a copy and modify that. To copy your current floor plan, click here, then click here, and choose Copy. Enter the name of your copied floor plan, and then choose Add. Number 6. Set up multiple floor plans. Apart from making a copy, you may need to set up multiple active floor plans. You can either make another copy and adjust as needed, or start fresh by clicking here, choosing Add, then enter a name of your floor plan. Now you can start adding tables. To make your floor plan active, choose Schedule, then click on a shift. Then choose what floor plans you want available for reservations during this shift. Number 5. Modify your schedule. Reopening your restaurant may also mean you have new hours of operation, which may affect when you're accepting reservations. To adjust when your diners can make a reservation, click on the Schedule tab in Availability Planning to make these modifications. Number 4. Adjust your shift settings. After modifying your schedule overall, you may need to adjust the settings for each shift. Click directly on the shift to bring up the Shift Details panel, then choose Shift Settings. Number 3. Max capacity and adjusting turn and flow controls. You can now set the maximum amount of guests allowed in your restaurant on a per-shift basis. Click directly on a shift, choose Shift Settings, and scroll down to add in the max capacity allowed in your restaurant for that shift. This is also a good time to take a look at your turn and flow control settings. These controls can be powerful if you have restrictions on reopening in your area. Turn controls allow you to define the set number of turns you'd like to achieve by party size or table. And flow controls let you set the number of covers that can be booked by a 15-minute increment. Number 2. Update your OpenTable restaurant profile. Choose Restaurant Profile from the menu, and then Basic Info. Under Profile links, you can see a Support Fund page box. You can add or update a link here that will be viewable by diners on your profile and allow them to make a donation directly to your setup fund page. If OpenTable already has a fund page link identified for your restaurant, we will enter the link on your behalf. You may remove or edit the link at any time. To update delivery and takeout options, choose Dining Experiences. Number 1. Run a reservations report. Run a reservations report to see upcoming reservations by choosing Reporting from the menu, then Reservations. You can also sign up to receive an automated pre-shift digest email by choosing Restaurant Settings, then Notifications. And as always, don't forget to publish your updates so you can see all of these changes on your front of house device.